So this is the faytech mirror.
The faytech mirror. So this is actually one of our innovative, it can be B2C products, but also B2B. We're thinking about hotels or showrooms, fashion shows, salons, and it's actually using our 15.6-inch capacitive touch LCD touch panel.
How is it possible that there's a display on the mirror?
So actually we just laminate, basically we laminate everything together to the entire mirror by itself. So that's why it's right up onto the mirror screen. And we actually also, again here, optical bonding. So when the display is off, it's just a normal mirror. So you don't even see that there's a display there. And the idea is that, you can have the weather, the news, you go into your morning routine and, you read about what the weather is like, you do your makeup, it also has audio speakers on the back. It is completely IP65 waterproof. It has the LED strips, which are actually, they can be dimmed. So you can, make it less bright. You can make the screen less bright. Overall, it's just a very cool, basically an Android PC in your mirror.
Can touch?
Yeah, so it's full touch, 10-point multi-touch, and even with water droplets on the screen, it's not a problem.
It would be surprising if faytech did something without the touch, no?
Yeah, so we do some digital signage solution, but for this we make sure that there's always touch for applications where it makes most sense.
On everything you do, really. So it's cool that when there's something, it all lights up, and when there's nothing, it's just transparent mode. And
yeah, exactly.
It's full mirror.
Yeah, then it becomes a standard full mirror. Exactly. Yeah, so that's the cool product that we have. We have different CPUs inside. We can do a Rockchip, we can do Logic, we can do V40s, whatever is required. We can probably also turn it into an Intel PC, and it's easily mountable. So it has the screw holes on the back. It has a single connector on the back as well for the power, and it has speakers. It has Wi-Fi, Bluetooth connections, and here are the loophole mounts as well.
Nice. You should integrate with the new Gemini. They showed something at the latest Google I/O. There was something where you can wear whatever you want from Google Shopping, and it comes on your clothes exactly. If you could do the screen that does the whole, you also have bigger versions.
Yeah. So at the moment we have also bigger versions. Yeah, so also to 32-inch, 43-inch. I think we even do 55, 65-inch. So this is just the standard small size 15.6-inch. But yeah, we do all different kind of sizes, for sure.
Nice. And then the question is if the camera, and they can position...
Yeah, exactly. So actually we also have mirrors where there's actually a camera on the top. So it can also detect. So we have a really cool project in the US, a 65-inch mirror that's used for retail stores where they have a suits. So they can, put the suits on, test it, check how it looks. But yeah, that's definitely something that we can do.